I can like it when love is a
Are you the guy that made your underwears? What?
You see that I'm the guy, you are still asking me.
So, I want you to give me a good one. My size.
Look at your mouth. I don't think you're going to your size. Your size is oversized.
Oh my God.
Oversized. Your size is 50,000 naira.
50,000?
Now.
It's not traditional marriage well. 50,000.
No. It's 5,000 before.
Please, I have 10,000 naira. Will you collect them?
Look at your mouth, 10,000. But when you are giving to them outside now, you charge them 500,000. The money that is making you beautiful, you cannot afford common 50,000. You see women? That's it now. It's because you fine girl, no. I don't play with my business. Touch me once. After measuring you will transfer me my money first too.
Yes, I will transfer.
Before you touch me again, I eat my money. Hey!
What?
Maybe we are going where
You say you are importer and exporter, so measure me, you can. Just measure me. Measure me.
Hey! Hey! Tell me right to your size down.
I want to go. Any other thing?
My money now?
Your money.
Are you a thief?
Money again. You have not even done anything. You are asking me of money.
You are warning that you should not touch me today. I told you that if you touch me, I might do this thing free. And now I'm doing it free of charge.
That's your friend.
No, John.
Like serious?
Yes.
Don't worry, yeah? I like what you just
Now you made me to lose my 10,000 there. Go, Joe. Whoever the son of man set free is free indeed. Hey, madam, you be out front and back. Hey, Chineke, I'm going to go to the village. You're going to know the fellow.